Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Yay! Let's begin our happy drawing adventure. Put your pencil on the page and make a nice, big, gentle round shape for the main part of the head. It does not need to be perfect at all, just make it smooth and cheerful. Take your time, because this lovely shape is the first big step toward drawing a super fun Peppa Pig picture. Awesome job! Now let's stretch out the front of the head to make a long, rounded snout. Let it stick out nicely from the face like a soft tube shape. Curve it gently so it looks cute and friendly. You are doing wonderfully, and your drawing is already starting to look like a sweet little pig friend. Great work!
Yay!
Next, let's add 2 little ears on top of the head. Make them tall, rounded, and standing up proudly. Keep them simple and easy, like soft oval shapes. Place them with a little space between them so they look balanced. Your drawing is becoming more and more exciting, and you are doing such an amazing job. Hooray! Now it is time to draw the eyes. Make 2 round circles near the top area of the face. Then add a smaller dark dot inside each eye so the character looks awake and playful. Don't worry if the eyes are a little silly or different from each other. That makes your drawing special and full of personality. You're doing fantastic! Let's go back to the snout and add 2 tiny nostrils. Draw 2 small round dots or circles near the front of the snout. Keep them simple and neat. These little details help the face look much more like a pig. Look at that! With just a few easy lines, your picture is becoming cuter and wonderful. Now let's give the face a sweet smile. Draw a curved happy mouth lower on the face so it looks friendly and cheerful. Then add a big round cheek on the side, like a soft circle. These features make the character feel warm, happy, and full of fun. Your drawing is really amazing work, artist. Now let's draw the body underneath the head. Make a simple dress shape that looks a bit like a wide triangle or a trapezoid. Keep the top a little narrower and the bottom wider. This is a very easy body shape, and it helps keep the drawing nice and simple for young artists like you. So good.
Yay!
Next, let's add 1 arm on each side of the body. Use thin little lines stretching outward. At the end of each arm, make tiny, simple hands with a few short finger lines. They can look playful and open, like the character is ready to wave hello. You are doing such a happy and fantastic! Now, let's add 2 straight little legs coming down from the bottom of the dress. Make them thin and simple, like easy vertical lines. Leave a little space between them so the body feels balanced. This step is very important because it helps your character stand nicely on the page. Keep going, you are doing great job! Let's finish the feet by drawing little black shoes at the bottom of the legs. Make each shoe a short, rounded oval shape. Keep them flat and simple so they look easy and neat. These tiny shoes are such a fun detail, and now your character is standing proudly. Your drawing is looking more complete every second. Yippee! Now let's add the curly tail. Draw a tiny tail near the side of the body, looping it into a cute curly shape. It can look like a little spiral or twist. This is such a fun part because pigtails are so silly and adorable. You are adding wonderful details and your artwork is looking terrific. Excellent. Now carefully go around your character and clean up the outline. Make the head, snout, ears, body, arms, legs, and tail nice and clear. If you want, gently darken the main lines so the drawing stands out better. This is a great moment to slow down, look closely, and you're doing such an incredible job. Now let's start coloring the head, snout, ears, arms, and legs with a lovely soft pink. Fill the shapes carefully and try to stay inside the lines, but don't worry if it is not perfect. Coloring is all about having fun. Your cheerful pig character is awesome. Next, color the dress a nice blue shade. Fill it in smoothly so it looks bold and bright. Then color the cheek a deeper rosy pink to make it pop. These colors help the drawing look happy and familiar. You are doing beautifully, and your picture is becoming colorful, playful, and wonderful work. Now darken the shoes if needed, and check the eyes, nostrils, and smile to make sure they are easy to see. You can add any tiny finishing touches to make the picture extra neat. Look all around your drawing and admire every part you made. Hooray! Your drawing is complete! Now you have a full, colorful, happy Peppa Pig picture made step by step with your own hands. Take a big moment to smile and feel proud of yourself. You followed each little part so well and you created something wonderful. Fantastic drawing, superstar artist,